What up out there, everyone? It's the Winner's Circle, 100 Days of Startup, Day 8. I'm startup founder, Wilfred Lee. And today I'm going to show you the second iteration of my VR store that I'm designing, right? So when I first started, I had all these grand ideals. I had all these grand visions and boards. And what I originally showed you as a demo, it just didn't work. It just didn't work, right? So what I'm doing right now is I'm showing you something that I did. I kind of stripped everything down and I said, what is the basic principle, right? I still have to test it, but I said to myself, what are the basic principles? Now, I kind of skipped a few steps because I should just have wireframes, very, very simple wireframes. So what I'm going to show you is a kind of like I jumped a couple of steps, right? Because I kind of know what I'm doing. I kind of know what I want the end result, the output to look like. So I skipped a couple of steps, but I'm going to show you what I came up with and how you put this all together. Oops, maybe not do that. But let me see how I can make sure I get the whole thing. I've been using Figma a lot, and Figma is very unforgiving and you want to move boards around. So I hope I got everything this time around. I hate when I do that. But anyway, let me show you what we have here. Are they still the same size? They're the same size. Width. Yep, the width and everything's right. Okay. So I'm gonna show you like well, the best thing for me to do is to show you the sketch of what I came up with. So this is what I came up with for the second iteration. This is a basic sketch I did real quick where you have this shirt on display. And it's going to be, because we're in a virtual reality environment, it's going to be a 3D shirt that spins around and changes to the available colors. And underneath here, you would upload your measurements. Now, I've left that out for now because I'm still working on that part. How do you get me the measurements? I'm still working on that part, so I left that out for now. And then here's your shipping information to go. Here it would be the purchase link. And what I added instead of uploading your measurements was I added the color selector, which I'm going to show you. As you can see up here, you see the color selector, okay? And that's basically going to show you, you're going to select the color. Now there's two versions of this that you have to provide to the developer. Well, I chose to do it the old-fashioned way. We don't do it this way anymore. I would just, code it myself. But the two versions that we're going to provide is we're going to provide one version, as you can see up here. We're going to provide one version where they don't input all the information. The purchase button is inactive. It doesn't change from red. When they enter in all the information in the additional version and they select everything, the purchase button will change to green. It will go active. And this purchase button is basically going to be a link. So I need to add that. I forgot to add the link into the comments. So let me add that too. Turns green when shipping information is completed. And this purchase button goes to this link. And so really all I have to do at this point is just change the link. Now I have several links out there, keeping with the role of what I'm trying to do. I have to decide if I want to stay on OpenSeas and be paid in Ethereum, which I wouldn't mind, or if I want to go with the Stripe link that I originally have set up. So right now I don't know what I'm going to do yet because we haven't got that far. I haven't got further enough to see which way I like better, which way works. We haven't tested it, so I don't know. Are people going to pay me in Ethereum, or are people going to pay me in regular money? I would prefer to be paid in crypto for this, and so I have to figure that. I have to figure that part out. That's the part I have to figure out. And actually, it's kind of, I gotta figure out. I'm probably gonna have to change this because this is all incorrect, and I don't think I can edit it. Let me see. Can I edit the shirt in here? I don't think I can edit the shirt. I might have to. Well, for sake of not having to buy any more gas, for now, because I have an NFT. I'm trying to think, what should I do with the NFT? What should I do with the NFT? Well, but the shirts are wrong. They didn't use the actual shirt with the logo. Don't ask me why. But anyway, you know what? I'm just gonna go with the stripe. I'm gonna go with the stripe link that I have already and use that. But the thing about Stripe is that it doesn't, it does let you do that, but not in VR yet. So maybe there's something to that. But I really want it to be more authentic. I wanted to keep everything like, I wanted to keep everything in Web3. But sometimes you just can't have it like that. This is one of those times. So what I'm gonna do is add the payment link, which is this one right here. And it's going to take everybody to, let's see here. Let's see, what does it take? Okay. So let me see here. They say I can have a buy button and a QR code. I should be putting the QR code into this. Let me get this QR code also. Let me capture this QR code. But first I gotta do something else. See, what I like about Stripe is they have so much security, man. It's crazy. Crazy security with Stripe. Like, you always gotta put your password in. You guys ain't gonna see it, but you always gotta put your password in. Okay. So now I gotta get the QR code. I should be using this QR code a lot more. I don't know why I haven't used it. Let me download it. I'm gonna actually embed it in this video. So you're gonna see this QR code. You're gonna see this QR code. You're gonna see it in this video. Because I really should be using it a lot more with all the QR codes. I really like QR codes because it's quick, it's seamless, and most people are on their phone. So it's very easy to screenshot it and use it. Take a photo of it on your phone. Yeah, so there we go. So that's the preview, and I can also preview how it looks on the phone. I gotta get some better photos though. I don't know, I'll figure that out. I'm gonna work on that. I gotta get some better photos taken. I gotta get a photo shoot together. That's the next thing I'm gonna work on. I'm gonna show you guys the photo shoot. Let me see. Yeah, because this photo just doesn't do it for me. I'm gonna keep it for now, but I really gotta get a photo shoot done. And I gotta work on it a little bit more. But anyway, for now, let me go on and let the developer know that it goes to this link. This is the link they're going to add it to. Okay, so it goes to that link. And I'm gonna put the QR code in the video above, so if you guys want to make a purchase, you can make a purchase, and then I'll have to get back to you about the sizes and the app. The next thing I'm gonna do is talk about the app that we use. I really need to do that. I really need to talk about the app that we use to do your 3D measurements. So anyway, yeah, this is basically it. This is what I put together real quick. You know, normally I would have other folders over here. I would have wireframes, and I would have, low fidelity. I would have done a bunch of different things, but I know what I want, so I'm not going to really focus on that too much. There's actually even a better, a better, a better design tool called Just in Mind that I haven't had a chance to use yet, but I'm thinking about doing a whole bunch of videos just learning how to use it. I wonder if it's even on YouTube how to use it, because I'm like, the reason why I like Just in Mind is because Just in Mind has, they got a tutorial. The reason why I like Just in Mind is because Just in Mind has a VR partition for designing, and if you have an Oculus or whatever you have, you can see you can see your design done. So I'm gonna watch these tutorials. They're pretty short. I'm gonna do a video about that. I'm gonna do a whole video of me studying how to use Just in Mind. That'll be my next thing. Because they actually, to my knowledge, are the only ones. I don't use Sketch. I only use Figma now. I can still use Sketch, but to my knowledge, they're the only ones that have a VR function. So let me go ahead and save this for later. Let's go and save this for later. But that's it. That's what I've been doing today, day 8. Tomorrow we're in the studio, so I'll probably share that with you guys. That'll be day 9. And then I will share with you guys the photo shoot. That'll be like a day 10. And on and on and on. And this is what I do, working on getting these sales. As you can see, I'm wearing the clothes. The clothes exist. All right. So that's all I got for today, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.